Had Africa started its strategic engagement with China in the 1980s, today most of its countries would be first world nations. Today, China is an integral part of the story of Africa rising to claim the 21st century.
A journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In October 2013, China's President Xi Jinping launched the Belt and Road Initiative. BRI is a mega infrastructure and investment project. It's designed to connect Europe, Asia, and Africa. China has supported projects such as the construction of roads, rail lines, and ports that cut across and connect countries. By October 2021, a total of 172 countries and international organizations are participating in the Belt and Road Corporation. The inspiration behind the mega initiative is the old maritime Silk Road. The Silk Road was an extensive trench for trade that linked Asia, the Middle East and Europe for almost 2,000 years. BRI is more than an infrastructure project. It's also a vehicle for achieving policy, trade, financial and people-to-people connectivity. China's support of Africa rests on two key areas. The Forum of China-Africa Cooperation launched in Beijing, China in 2000, and now BRI, which is the funding of Africa's major developing priorities. Between 2013 and 2021, China has committed over $120 billion to fund Africa's development projects. As of October 2021, 46 out of the 55 member states of the African Union are participating in BRI. BRI has transformed African countries' developments. In 2019, China launched a new Belt and Road Africa Fund, focusing primarily on infrastructure, technology, e-commerce, artificial intelligence, and industrialization. The initiative is aligned to Africa's Agenda 2063, which is the continent's development blueprint and strategy of deepening integration, addressing infrastructure deficit, and expanding Africa's share of the global market. Kenya is one of the African countries that is part of the BRI. BRI is aligned to Kenya's Vision 2030. It also supports the country's Big Four agendas of manufacturing, affordable housing, universal healthcare, and food security. How has Kenya benefited from BRI? BRI has supported Kenya in 5 main pillars. Infrastructure connectivity. China is supporting the refurbishing of the over 120-year-old British-era meter gauge railway. Through BRI, China is constructing a new standard gauge railway, which connects Kenya's port of Mombasa to Nairobi and Naivasha, where a dry port will be constructed. When complete, it will connect the western city of Kisumu to Mombasa and link neighboring countries of Uganda, Rwanda, and the DRC. After its completion, the SGR will be the largest transport infrastructure project in Kenya since independence. BRI has also seen the expansion of roads such as the Kibwezi-Usuweni Highway, Outer Ringway, and the Nairobi Expressway, the first real toll road in Kenya. China, through BRI, is supporting one of the largest and most ambitious infrastructure projects in Africa, known as the Lamu Port South Sudan-Ethiopia Transport Corridor Project. BRI has seen the establishment of industries in Kenya: the Global Trade Center, the China Wuyi, Africa Economic Zone, and Keda Ceramics. To meet the energy gap in Kenya, the government, in partnership with China, have invested in energy infrastructure. Through the construction of the Garissa 50-megawatt solar power station plant, the new Kipevu oil terminal project, and Kenya Power Transmission System Improvement Project. China, through BRI, is also undertaking various projects in Kenya to ensure the country achieves sustainable water safety and security by construction of dams such as Thwake and Karimenu Dam. Policy connectivity. This is all about policy consultations, Sino-Kenya connectivity, and key milestones in Kenya-China relations. Trade connectivity. Kenya and China agreed on jointly promoting the Silk Road Economic Belt and the 21st Century Maritime Silk Road. Inspection and quarantine requirements for Kenyan stevia exported to China on sanitary and phytosanitary measures, on the establishment of a working group on promoting trade and inspection and quarantine requirements for Kenyan frozen avocados exported to China. People-to-people connectivity. This has improved cooperation between Kenya and China relations in terms of education, with China granting 1,525 scholarships to Kenyan students as of 2020. Fight against COVID-19 pandemic, tourism, and party-to-party engagement as seen in the relationship between the Communist Party of China and Kenya's ruling party, Jubilee. And the last pillar, financial connectivity. This includes the inclusion of Kenya in the China International Import Expo, Kenyan products in China International Import Expo, and the China Trade Week in Nairobi.
The Chinese say, if you want to walk fast, you walk alone. If you want to walk far, you walk together. The Belt and Road Initiative is Africa's surest pathway to poverty eradication and shared prosperity. Had Africa.